O Lord, educate us. O Lord, educate us. Educate our ears to hear the goodness of all. O Lord, educate us. O Lord, educate us. Educate our tongue to sing praises of thee. O Lord, educate us. O Lord, educate us, and to utter pleasing, loving and...
In today's conversation class, children will tell us about the craft made by them. Anas, please come with your craft. What is this, Anas?
This is pen stem, this is flower. It is made of waste product. I have used waste paper to make this. Sister helped me to make this. Thank you.
Arpan, what is this?
This is my dream house. I have used thermocol to make this.
Afan, what is this?
This is pen stem. It is made of waste products. It is a pen stand. I have made this pen stand. It is made up of cardboard. I have used different colors paper to over it.
Roll number 4 ahead, come. What is this ahead? Say loudly ahead.
Flower pot.
And who made this? In today's conversation class, student will tell about the craft that made by student. Now Hansraj Singh, come. What is this, Hansraj Singh?
This is table.
And who make this?
Me.
Very good. Go.
This made of waste products. I have used water to make this. My mother helped me to make this. I have used
What is this, Arfa?
it is aeroplane. I have used ice cream stick to make this.
In today's conversation class, students will tell us about craft made by them. Ragini, please come with your craft. What is this?
This is flower pot. My mother helped me to make this. Thank you.
Now Amber, what is this?
This is aeroplane.
Who make this?
This me.
Okay, good. Very good. Go. Clapping for Amber. Now, what is this, Altamas?
This
Who make this?
is me.
Okay, very good. Go. Clapping for Altamas. Now, what is this, Sumaya?
This is aeroplane.
Who make this?
Me.
Okay, very good. No, go.
Of waste product. I used waste ice cream stick to make this. My mother helped me to make this. Thank you.
What is this, Sanaya?
This is aeroplane. It is made of waste products. I have used ice cream stick
this, Sadia?
pencil. It is made of waste products. I have used water bottle to make this. My sister helped me to make this. Thank you.
What is this, Waqas?
This is sticky band. It is made of waste product. I have colored tools. I have used water bottle to make this. And mother helped me learn.